Okay, I'm teaching you verb être once again. Okay, please watch the video. Previous video you need to watch. Okay, the watching previous video is important. That's why you are not able to speak the correct pronunciation today in the class. So être is a verb. The meaning of this is to be. Okay, to be. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, not vous êtes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now, in this way, you have to speak être verb and you have to write it down 10 times. I will give you again. Now, we come on the verb avoir. Okay, because I'm not going to just write it again and again, because in the first class I told you how to conjugate this verb. Now, avoir. Avoir has and have. You know the pronoun. First, we have to write the pronoun. Ja, you, il, elle, nous, vous, il, and elle. Okay. Now, we have to conjugate avoir here. So, I'm writing for you. That's why I told you have to write it down 10 times. If you don't write it down 10 times, it will take too much time. You will waste your time on this if you don't write it down. You have to write it down 10 times. Conjugate this verb 10 times. Daily you have to write it down 10 times for some days. So we covered this verb avoir, has, have. How you gonna speak this? Like this. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Okay. So three pronunciation is same. Tu as, il a, elle a. Nous avons. We have to connect and speak. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. We have to connect these four verbs and speak. I'm speaking again. Avoir, has, have. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Got it? Can you speak? Any one of you?
Rồi, tu
Hmm?
es,
Hmm.
elle
Tu
est,
are. Tu are.
tu as,
It is not they. It is the same word. Whenever you see this apostrophe, you have to connect and speak. This is one word. They.
j'ai,
They. Tu as.
tu
Il
as,
a.
il
Elle a.
a, elle a,
Nous avons.
moi,
Nous avons.
nous avons,
Vous avez.
vous avez, ils
Ils ont.
ont,
Elles ont.
elles
You have
ont.
to connect and speak. Okay. So like this. Watch the video again and you write it down in Hindi or in Punjabi, whatever you want, but you have to speak correct. Okay, these two words we already covered. Now we are talking about another verb now. Okay, if you don't do the practice, will not be easy to you just to understand next chapter. Please listen carefully. Where to do? What does it mean to do? Now you have to write the pronoun ja, you, il, elle, nous, vous, nous, il, and elle. Now you have to conjugate this verb like ja, fe, and tu fe. In place of T, you write T. S, you have to write T. So, what I did here, I did nothing. I removed RE and I just copy paste. Let me correct it. You can understand well. I removed RE. I copy and paste here. Okay. Then I remove RE from this. Okay. And I copy and paste like this. Now you have to add here S. You have to add here S letter T, letter T. So what comes after S? T. In this way, you will understand and learn easily for this. Okay. So what we come before T? S. Okay. ST. Okay. You have to add S, S, and T, T. So understand what comes after S, T. Okay. Then here what you have to add? ONS. Just here you have to take this one. Copy this from here and paste it and paste is here. Okay. Now you have to add ons and you have to add tes. tes. Here you have to write font. Like this. You have to understand this verb. The meaning of this verb is to do. Fair to do. So how you gonna speak this? The fe, tu fe, il fe, el fe. The pronunciation is same. Okay. The pronunciation is same. The fe, tu fe, il fe, el fe. Nous faisons, vous faites. Please understand. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Like this, you're gonna speak this verb. Can you speak it? Yes.
Je
Can you?
fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous,
Nous faisons,
nous faisons,
vous faites,
vous faites,
ils
ils
font,
font,
elles font.
elles font.
Okay. Once the things come to you to conjugate these verbs, how you gonna conjugate? Just copy paste, copy this and paste here and remove re. Okay. Remove re and write s and tt here. In this way you can conjugate. And that here what you have to do? The same thing. Just copy paste the same thing from here. Copy paste here and add ons ez ont. Clear? Now I am giving you another verb. Okay, you will conjugate easily. Er ending verb. So if you understand er ending verb, it will be easy to you to conjugate this verb. Okay. If you understand er ending, will be easy to you to understand this verb. Now we are on the er ending verb. What are er ending verb? The verb which ends with er, like parler, speak, parler, speak, regarder, to watch. Okay, donner, to give. Now the verb you can see ending with er at the end of the verb. So that's why we say ending verb, ending verb. The verb, the letter are er at the end of the word. That's why we say these verb to ending verb. Now, how to conjugate this type of verb? Suppose I'm conjugate this verb, parley. How to conjugate this verb? Now, I'm going to conjugate this verb. But what I will do first of all, what I will do,
Je
Harmilan?
parle,
No, 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 no. What I will do, I will write the pronoun ja, you,
yeah,
il, el, nu, who, il, and el. Okay. Now, I will remove r, not er. I will remove r only. I will copy paste and I will remove r. Okay. Either you do one thing or you can do just copy paste and remove. Don't copy r. Just itna आपको copy करना है. You have to copy this. Okay. Don't copy r. So just copy and copy paste. Copy paste in each pronoun. With each pronoun you have to copy paste. Okay. Can you do this? Easy na? So now you have to add on some letter. What you have to add on? Here, come here. Here in this pronoun you have to add letter
S,
s.
S,
I'm writing in capital so that you can understand. Otherwise, you write it in small letter. Okay. Now come here. Now here you have to add or what? ONS. And here you have to add EZ. I'm writing in capital. ONS. Okay. Then Z here. Then NT here. What you add here? NT. So letter you have to add here S. Letter here you have to add here ONS. Always with the pronoun nu, you have to add on this letter. Okay. In the same way, we add on this ONS. Okay. But this is another verb. This is irregular verb. Some of them you can understand very well, some of them you have to learn from your end. Okay, so these are the pronoun would, you, ill, you have to learn from your end. As it is, you have to learn. I can't change, I can tell you the rule. There is no rule to learn them, but yes, there is a rule to learn them. Okay, so in this way we're gonna conjugate this verb. Can you conjugate another verb for me? Regarde. First you write the pronoun, this pronoun, then you write don't write, don't copy r, just write without r. Okay, regarde. Or you can copy or just remove r. Later you can remove r and copy with every pronoun. You have to copy it. Okay, you have to copy it, you have to copy it, but do from another one. Okay, write down the pronoun jat you ill, then do it, please. Okay, do it. Write the pronoun jat you ill nu wu ill. Write the pronoun below in your notepad, and do the conjugation of this verb. Once you done, do one thing. Then you have to remove this letter. Remove r, e. With the no pronoun, you have to remove this e, letter e only, and rest will be same. Don't forget to write. Just write in on just conjugate the verb, one verb on the fair copy. This is a rule. The rule should be on the fair copy and rest exercise on the rough copy. Do it, please. Great. So now I'm going to tell you how to conjugate the verb in negative. Verb in negative. How to conjugate the verb in negative. In English, you know, you have to add on what? Not. Right? In the same way, what word we have to add on here? Any idea? The word. I say sawa. What does it mean? Sawa? I say
ma,
sawa, sawa pa.
ma, pa,
I'm good, I'm not good. So negative, we have to add on what? Sawa pa, I'm good, sawa ma, I'm not good. For negative sentence, we have to add on what? Pa. Okay. So this is the word you have to add on. So I'm going to tell you here. Let's look at it. Verb is no. This is the verb, and you have to add on pa after the verb. The pa word. This is the pa. Pa is what is pa? Pa is for negative, not. Pa is for not. You have to add on after the verb pa, and before the verb you have to write what? No, or like and plus apostrophe. Either you write this, or you write this, or then in between there will be a verb, and after verb you gonna write like this. So when you write this no, and when you write this no, I'm going to tell you. You can write this no, and you can write this no like here. So what is the verb here? You know very well. First one is what? What is this first one? What is this? Can you let me the name of?
pronoun,
These are the pronoun. Yes. And what is the second one? These are the
verb,
verbs. Yes, yes. These are the verbs. And I told you this is the rule of negative sentence. How to make the sentence? How to make the verb in negative? This is the rule. What is the rule? This is the rule. This is the rule. Now, so before the verb you have to write this or this, and in between there will be a verb, and verb afterward we have to write pa. So this is the verb, and afterward what you have to write? Pa. So I'm going to write pa. Pa after the verb. So we have to write pa. In each verb, after the verb you write the pa. Okay? You write pa. And what comes before the verb? Before the verb you have to write na. Write it na. 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 Just is na. First you write now. Okay, then I will let you know where we write n plus post op. So I write now before the verbs. You can know. Okay, this one was not good. I need to correct. No. So I write before the na verb na and after the verb pa. Before the verb na, after the verb. So in this way, this conjugation is in negative. This is negative conjugation. Where we have to write na. If the next word starting with the vowel, we have to write this now. Like if I'm saying ne and a. So what is this? The verb first letter starting with the vowel, na? Then we can't write two vowel together in French. So we have to remove this n, then we have to write like this, n plus apostrophe in that case, because next word starting with the vowel. Understood? Understood this thing? So
yes, sir.
here you can judge which word is starting with the vowel. So here this word is starting with the vowel. So you have to remove this one. You have to write this like this. So you have to remove and write apostrophe. Okay, then you have to remove like apostrophe. You have to remove and put right apostrophe. Here you can't write because this letter is starting with the consonant. This letter is starting with the vowel. Whenever starting with the vowel, you have to write n plus apostrophe. So here we can't have like this. Here we can't change because this letter is consonant. So whenever the letter is vowel, we have to write this one. And whenever the next letter is consonant, we have to write this one. Okay. So write this one and later on you can edit it. Okay. So in this way, we can conjugate any verb in negative. And suppose if I have to conjugate this verb in negative, what I will do? I will write na and pa. Follow this rule. I will write pa after the verb. I will write pa. Okay. After the verb, I will write pa. Pa, pa. Each and every verb I will write pa. So in this way, the conjugation will be negative. Now I have to write na also. Okay. I have to write na. Look at it. Look at it. I have to write na. N-E. So this rule is not this is not sufficient. I have to put apostrophe and I can write here N-E. Huh? No, no, apostrophe. Okay. I can write here N apostrophe because next word is vowel. I can write here N apostrophe. I can write here N apostrophe. Here also N apostrophe. Here also in every word I have to write N apostrophe because everything is starting from the vowel. Okay. I hope you are getting this. And so once you do the exercise, you will understand it better. Okay. Now you have to conjugate this verb in negative. Now, just whatever the verb you conjugated in negative, regarde you done now. Can you write a no and for in between this verb? Write no and for. So in each and every verb, you write a no and for and send me.
Okay.
Each and every verb. This is also no and for. Are you done? Pronoun here? Did you done? Are you just hope you done the pronoun? Write no
Yeah.
and for and send me. Yes, write no and for and send me.